So hey there, we just arrived at Cheow Lan Lake, and it is part of Khao Sok National Park. We're on a tour today. Tour price ranges depending on who you buy it from. We bought it through an agent who's obviously collecting a commission, but I saw this tour as low as 1,600 baht and as high as 2,000 baht. So what is it, 400 baht? Doesn't make that much of a difference if you just want to book it in advance for convenience. But today is going to be amazing because supposedly we are in one of the oldest rainforests on the planet, and they turned this area into a reservoir about 30 or 40 years ago. I'll put the year down below, and just looking forward to sharing the day with you. Fresh water, limestone mountains sticking out of the water, swimming, going to some caves, and a few other things. So thanks for joining us, and I will see you in a bit. Yeah, and we are on a group tour today, as you can see. So our van driver picked us up at the hotel at 7:45 a.m. and it was about a 1-hour drive. We stopped at 7-Eleven, which is about 5 minutes from the entrance here, and we just stocked up on snacks. Our tour today includes a meal, so there's lunch included and water, so that's all included. So people just stopped at 7-Eleven, got snacks like drinks and fruits and sodas and stuff like that. So we'll see you in a bit. So I'll give you the first glimpse of what we got in front of us here. Lots of boats.
Okay, our program today. So, good morning everybody. My name is Simon. I'm your entertainer guide today. Mr. Ole is he a big board. He gonna control the time for you. He gonna connection with the land for you. He gonna connection with the boat for you. He gonna buy the ticket, every ticket for you. I'm just entertainer. I mean, I'm talk so much. Yes.
One of the things they just told us is anytime you're on a boat or you're swimming here at Cheow Lan Reservoir, you have to have a life jacket on. You have to have a life jacket on, and if they catch you without a life jacket on, they'll take your picture, and when you arrive back at the pier, there's a 5,000 baht fine. And I just confirmed it up there. There's a sign that does say the exact same thing, so that's pretty crazy. Got all the carp. Cool. I'm coming.
Big fish. We're gonna do a hike and eat good Thai food. So let's go.
Right.
น้ำอ่ะ
เดี๋ยวว่ากินกากับไหนเรือ
แล้วเขากินแล้วอ่ะตั้งมีเจ๊ผลกวนเลย
Alright, sit down right here. Sit down. Oh, okay.
So hey there, an update for you. We're at the first stop. It's called the Hua Tham Chan Ranger Station, which is a stop for a cave. He says about a 35 minute hike up a hill, flat, then down a hill. We get to the other side. We take a bamboo raft across another inside lake, and then we head to a cave. So I'll share that with you as we go. So this is cool. Looks like they have wild tapir, which would be fun to see, as well as wild elephants. Check it out. And there's the trail right in front of us. What do you see? Mountain gorillas? Oh, a footprint. Tapir?
Pumba.
Pumbaa. Deer? So he just pointed out these are some elephant footprints from about a week ago. You're so lucky, Kim, touching rattan.
Yeah.
Climb it.
And
Elephants do.
oh no, I don't do the itchy.
Thank you.
Can you say lang tang?
Long tongue.
Lang tang.
One tongue.
It's so funny name, huh? But dangerous tree. Lang tang is a poison tree. The poison tree in the Khao Sok National Park have around 8 species. Poison tree is meaning they is make your when you touch that tree it make you itchy, make you burn, because on the tree they have some the hair, same like this one. Yep. This is difficult to see so much this one.
Cool.
I have 3 in my house. I love them. And the jackfruit. Jungle jackfruit.
Jackfruit, good.
Very
I love
small.
jackfruit.
That's very good. Sweet. Welcome to the lagoon inside. The inside here is have a
So this lake we're at right now is not connected to the main lake above water. It's kept full by caves. So pretty cool. Some of the animals that are in here. The sun bear,
live inside here.
looks like a pheasant, looks like a leopard, the tapir, a marten, Indian bison, looks like a water buffalo, black panther, and a sambar deer. And say hi to our newest YouTube fans right there. Where you guys from?
Almost inside in Thailand.
Where are you from?
From the UK, right?
Cool. So we're taking a bamboo boat across this little lake, and then there's a cave somewhere up there, which is going to be pretty amazing, I think. Buddy looks very anxious to get off the boat.
Oh, he said go.
Who said go? Jade, who said go? Oh.
Yeah,
The joys of traveling with a 2-year-old.
She's in the mood right now.
Bye. Later. So we're coming up to the entry of the cave. They actually give you headlamps. And this is pretty exciting.
But when you buy the tour, they not the name Pakarang, right? The coral cave. Because the Pakarang is meaning the coral, like under the sea. So inside you're gonna see some of the rocks, very beautiful rocks. Calcium rocks, limestone rock, and have so many roots inside. Behind it, under the teeth is the poison bag. I have this. I have experience already. 3 days in the hospital. The inside the Asia, in the Asia, the cave it have two kind of rocks. Have a calcium carbonate rock and the cement rock.
Still alive.
1,000 feet.
Where's Jimmy?
And they overnight the cave. In the cave, 80% of cave in the Khao Sok National Park. They're gonna have one room to have a pot inside, like a swimming pool. So that is the local technique how to preserve the meat. Preserve the meat, chow in there.
How was that, Kim?
Super cool.
How was that, you guys? Awesome. Jade, did you like it?
Just put my hand so I can dry.
You can go out there, Kim. And we're back from the cave hike. We did not see a tapir, we did not see an elephant, but we did see some lizards. But look at this view. And it's gonna be a 5-minute boat ride to go to lunch. So here's the restaurant that we're gonna be eating lunch at. They've got some kayaks, and some of us are gonna be swimming right there.
Okay.
Here's our lunch. They've got giant gourami. They've got Thai omelets, some vegetable. They've got chicken curry. Woohoo! There came a Thai omelet.
Yeah, Thai omelet.
We had a giant gourami, some rice, veggies. Jade is liking the fish. And masamang curry. Hey, you guys. Hey, Jade, look at me.
Are we gonna jump in lava?
We're gonna go in the kayak and then
Feed some fish.
Let's see your hand.
Yeah. No, 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 no. Feed some fish.
Throw it in.
So I'll just take a minute and show you what this place looks like a little bit more. So we saw like 3 or 4 of these cabin places on the water. And of course, these are going to be in high demand. These are literally just small sleeping rooms. They're not really even hotel room size. They're just small bed and bathroom. And then the restaurant right here. Then all the boats pull up over here. And not a bad view from the front though, is it?
Let's go, Jade. Okay, big step.
So that's a wrap for the day today. Cheow Lan Lake. Just estimated costing you about 2,000 baht from Rainong. Not Rainong, Rainong. Where are we? Khao Sok. Khao Sok National Park. And just consider it being about 2,000 baht. You get a little less, maybe a little bit more. But they pick you up at the hotel, they feed you, you get all the boat rides, all the admissions to the caves, and feed you lunch and all that kind of stuff. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.